But check this out. Look what I got. I got a veggie. I think it's Patella fried veggie gyro. Oh my goodness! Look at that. I got a veggie gyro. I always wonder when I go to like a gyro place, why can't I get a veggie one?
Testing 1 2 1 2. It's been a long day. You just wanna go away. You can't sleep at night, and now I'm here. I can't promise tomorrow, but you're gonna feel out today. We can tangle it away. Now I'm here.
Hey, Spirit of Lights. Hey, y'all. Hey, Dream. We both sick.
Open the door.
Okay, hold on. Hold it.
I miss you.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, baby.
I miss you.
We over here sick.
I miss you so much, Dream. I feel like I haven't seen you in a long, long time. And look, there's people in the line. The lobby closed, but people in the line, y'all. We all out here waiting on our pizza. We gotta wait 10 minutes. The people actually walking up to go order their pizza. And look at the guy in line with his dog. Along with 2 dogs, y'all. That is so funny. You salad, like heavy.
You wanna feel my arm?
Yeah, let me feel.
I'm still bulking. I ain't cut.
What?
I ain't cut
You
yet.
a big man. I'm drinking.
Yeah.
Wow!
Yeah, I ain't
Oh my
cut
gosh!
yet.
Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh, there's no dent in it at all.
Yeah.
Good Lord, that thing hard.
Oh, Mom, don't talk like that.
What you mean? No,
You gotta say pause.
I don't want no chicken. She's like, no, mine. It came out there. It was so deep. You scared the guy. Because then if I said, no, I don't want no chicken, he was like, whoa. So I guess he was like, no, I don't want no chicken. He was like, whoa. Like that. And I was just like, what did he say whoa for? Why are you acting like that? And they fell out. She said, oh my God, Mom. And she already inside. But me and Dream is here. I don't know how this just went all wrong. Okay, Nadine just got here. She said what happened was she came around the U-turn and she missed it because it's hot. Like, it ain't hot, it's hot. Like that. So earlier, this guy was at the U-turn and he had dreads in his hair. And I think, because the first guy was like Indian, and then the second guy almost mistaked him for black, but he's Indian. They look alike. I was 36 right here. Hopefully.
You put in some work today, huh?
Yeah, we put in some work. Dream, stop playing me. Don't try and play me, Dream. Don't try and play me like that. Shades. Even though I don't need shades because there ain't no sun out, I start freaking out and putting on my shades, and I'm just not going to say nothing, y'all. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so everything is closed out with public storage, but they didn't give us a closeout receipt, and they didn't give us an adjustment. Because I know last time I closed out with public storage, you get an adjustment. Like once you close it out, whatever money they owe you, they give it to you. And they didn't do that this time, and we just paid the bill. We paid the bill, so we should at least got the majority of it back. I would say, yeah, the majority of it back, except for minus the 6 days. That's crazy. We just paid the bill on the 1st, and they're not giving us an adjustment. That's so weird. And not even a receipt, y'all. That's why I'm telling y'all about this. Think about where you're going to put your stuff, and think about, you know, ask them questions, because you don't want to be, once your stuff in the storage now, they rude and nasty to you. I'm checking my P.O. box. My P.O. box is 10878 Westheimer Road, Houston, Texas, 77042. P.O. Box 206. Okay, so I know people always ask me all the time, what's my P.O. box, and I feel like if you type in ASMRTheChew P.O. box, you will see it. It's definitely been around for a long time. It's probably be around for a just been around a long time. I'm gonna probably start a new P.O. box soon, but for right now, that's the P.O. box 10878 Westheimer Road, Houston, Texas 77042. P.O. box, or PMB 206. Okay, y'all. I'm going to take Diamond to go get her inspection, and probably grab me something. I want me something good to eat. Something good to drink too. I gotta find me a Dutch Bros or something, so I can get me a good cold decaf Ceylon tea. Yeah, Diamond passed her inspection with flying colors. She feel happy now. I'm happy that she passed her inspection. I already knew she was going to pass her inspection, but I'm glad that she passed it with flying colors. And it didn't even take long. Like, that thing was like, take 5, be on point. Like, boom, 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 done. And I'm so glad. Yeah, yeah, it's pouring down out here. It's pouring down out here. I'm still going through it. I pulled this stuff out. earlier. And my son was like, Mom, you need to do a whole commercial. I said, Dream, I'm just trying to get... I said, Dream, I'm just trying to get myself together because I can't be sick too long. I can't. I'm waiting on Nadine. Now that we done passed the inspection, we're doing whatever we need to do. And I think from here, we're going to get something to eat. And something to drink, y'all. I haven't eaten breakfast. I think I had a little bit of coffee. But this thing, whatever this is that jumped on me, is terrible. And me and Dream got the same symptoms. We both going through it. It look like he's doing better though than me. But I'm hoping that within a couple of days it's completely gone. I feel like my voice is so much better than it was yesterday. Even though I still feel like I'm kind of like straining a little bit, but nowhere near yesterday. Nadine made me noodles this morning, y'all. I got squished, but I'm still going to eat it. It looked good though. I'm doing okay. Had like a dry cough this morning. Still trying to get over this bug that I had got. And Nadine had got sick yesterday. She started having chills last night. I think she got sick from Dream. Because Dream hugging and tugging on her. Kept on giving her kisses and hugs. I feel like my voice is definitely trying to come back. I'm charging up my phone, y'all. My phone died on me, and I didn't get to hear my friend's voice last night, and it died on me, and then I end up I wasn't feeling good already, so I ended up going to bed. And I was watching Law and Order. Well, not really Law, it was NCIS Order, something like Law and Order. Anyway, I ended up going to sleep. I fell asleep. I felt terrible yesterday. And then Nadine said that she felt like she was like just exhausted from all of the stuff that they had to do as far as like, moving the storage and stuff like that. So yeah, we went to sleep. Yeah, I done turned off the car. I'm gonna have to turn it back on because I can feel the chill coming up on me, and all my little thighs are exposed, you know what I'm saying? When we went to go do the inspection, the guy had to open up the car like 3 times, y'all. And normally, I normally have on like some type of pants or tights or jeans. My legs all out, all exposed. I was like, dang, Nadine, he's about to see all this sugar. He's about to see all this sugar. Yep. Yeah, so I'm just glad that Diamond passed. Y'all, he kind of threw me off because the guy just, instead of leaving, he just parked in front of me just looking at me. I'm just like, he probably saying, why is she talking to the camera like that? I don't know. But child, like, it's raining hard. Like, get where you going. And you know what I mean? Like, come on now. But Spirit of Likes, I enjoy doing the vlog with y'all. I know, y'all always say, oh, Spirit, I miss the vlog so much. I enjoy doing the vlog when I can do a vlog. It's the editing part. It's the editing part. Like, by the time the end of the week comes, I just don't feel like messing with editing or anything like that. And then I'm vlogging 2 different ways. I'm vlogging a documentary journey of my life, and then I'm vlogging. You know what I mean? Like, just my everyday vlogging thing. So it's like, and sometimes when I'm talking about the documentary journey, I forget that that I didn't vlog that day, and I'm like, oh shoot, okay. But yeah, I enjoyed spending time with y'all, and I hope that y'all really enjoyed the vlog a lot. Hopefully Nadine don't take too long, but I'm going to turn on the heat. I had something I wanted to tell y'all. It was something I wanted to tell y'all, but I can't remember right now. I sure did. Is that Nadine running? Child? That ain't her, is it? No, she would have texted me. Because it's pouring out here. She would have texted me. But I do have something to say to the documentary journey. I want to talk about this little story time I'm about to tell them. And I'll talk to y'all again real soon as I find something to eat. Look how large Nadine tea is. Sweet tea. I bet you that tea good too. Thank you. Yeah, so I got me some fish tacos. I'm hungry too, y'all. Okay, I'm about to eat. I am hungry. I'm gonna have to leave the car on y'all for a second because I'm cold at the same time too. But I got me a bottle of water from Louisiana fried fish. And I got me a fish taco. And man, I like this fish taco, this Louisiana fried fish. This one is over here. Oh, I don't even know what street. Oh, Shepherd. All the way down Shepherd, past the courthouse. Y'all always ask me where I get my food at now, you know. I found another. And Louisiana fried chicken is everywhere, but I will say, everybody different. Find a place you like, and that dropped the fry, child. I'm looking too, cause one place I go, they give you a lot more fries. This one, fries are small, but they're good though. They're not too salty. I don't know why I was waiting for Nadine to hand me my food. I'm starting looking at her getting started on her food, y'all. Oh my God, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. And that's what I had to taste for today, y'all. Top fish tacos. Like, it looks so freaking good. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it because it's kind of bright, but it looks. Oh my goodness! I can't believe my fuming card is already full. I'm gonna have to put another card in it. I think I got one. Child. You know what? That day we could have got one platter and shared it. I didn't know it was so big. Usually the fish tacos are smaller.
Hello?
Hey, where y'all at?
We on Shepherd Road.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'm still running my errands.
Where you at?
So, I'm at Target right now. And
Okay.
then after that, I'll be heading home. I gotta clean up and everything. So by that time,
Yeah.
I'll be having to leave.
Yeah.
Love y'all.
This is so good. I've been saving like my food. And I haven't been able to eat. And I can never get back to it. I don't care where I'm at. I'm eating this fish. It's delicious. But the one thing you can't do in Texas is feel like every place you go to and they have the same name. that they're gonna do things the same. You gotta have an open mind that it may not be the same. So if it's not what you expected, just try a different one. Don't give up on it. I don't know why I went to one and my fish was so soft. Not no crunch to it. I don't know why, but it turned me off. And my fries were real soft too. But this one right here, I gotta remember this one. So I got everything done that I need to do. See, add hot sauce. It's so good. I forgot to add sauce. I don't know they got that spicy mayonnaise sauce on it. I'm full. And remember the avocado on it. Good afternoon, Spirit of Lights. Good afternoon. It is Thursday, April 13th. Yeah. Man, it's nice to finally see some freaking sun out here. It's nice to finally see some sun out here. And it's nice to be able to hear my voice a little bit. My voice has come back, not all the way. It's a little shaky, a little off. A child in the morning is terrible. It's terrible. And Spirit, the type of person in the morning, I want to be contacting people like, hey, sending you some love, some prayer, you know, hi, hoping that you're doing well. I'm that type of person. I like to talk to people in the morning before I get my day started, because when stuff gets started, and I don't usually have time to like really go back and be like, you know, because, you know, I'm a procrastinator and time go by fast for me. There's not enough hours and minutes in a day for Spirit, you know. Like, I wish the day could, instead of be 24 hours, like it could be 72 hours. But it's not, you know. Reality is just 24 hours. So time be going by fast. Before you know it, people in their bed sleeping, and I'm tired, taking my shower, it's time to go to bed. But yes, yeah. That journey back home to Houston is a lot. It was a lot. I cannot believe that I immediately got sick. Oh my God. But I decided today, because when I loaded a couple of videos, and some of my people in Audible with Mr. Jared the rabbit. Ain't he cute? Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Okay, Jared the rabbit's cute, but like, it's not about him. But in that video, I was saying like, if you want me to do more in Audible, let me know. And people are saying that, yeah, they want me to do it once or twice a week. They love it. They need it. Okay. So I don't know what the name is. I'm just gonna go with the cute little bunny with the long ears. And I got this yeah, girl, you know I eat the bag. I'm always chewing on my chew gum when I'm in pain. I chew gum when I'm stressed. I chew gum when I just enjoy myself playing my phone like a phone game, or when I'm watching something on like the internet. But I got two cute little eyes right there. I got a little nose, little snout. Alright, so I'm like, okay, alright. So thank you for answering me and giving you an A+ that you could hear my inaudible whisper like, but I can even go like even lower than that, to the point where it's almost like just mouth like movement like mouth sounds. Like I literally can have no problem with doing inaudible. So I'm glad y'all let me know that. But also in that video comments, people said, Spirit, can you please do another story time? Can you please do another story time? Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I want to talk about I got like 2 story times that I want to tell. So I had to make a decision which one I'm going to tell. Is it going to be about my second date? I had a second date. Or is it going to be about what the freak happened and like what went down? You know what I'm saying? Now, if you're watching the vlogs, you're probably going to see and notice when stuff started to happen during the time that I ended up getting sick. Like, you're going to see that. But in story time, I'll give you even more like detailed stuff that I didn't vlog about, but things that might have happened. I had stopped speaking to my boyfriend for like 2 days. It felt like I should change my number. We was talking. It started out really nice conversation. And he told me like, I can't wait till the next time we can have dinner together. So I'll tell it in story time. But like literally I want to talk about like what happened and how I got to this point, how I'm getting over it. Now today I'm at Walgreens, y'all, because it's been it's going on 13 days now, I think, and I'm still don't have myself like together, you know what I mean? Like, far as like I'm still dealing with coughing, sinus problems, and trying to just clear the throat, and then the chest. I'm massaging my chest at night. Like I feel like I got stuff like lined it up right here, and then right here when it just to get aggravated, you can't catch your breath. You barely can like breathe. Like it's really bad. Give me a sec. I'll be right back, y'all. You gotta like pull yourself together. You know what I'm saying? Like it takes a toll on you. So yeah, I'm gonna do story time. You know, just a nice little story time. I guess doing story time is nice because it helps you learn things about me, or get information about stuff that might have taken place or happened and stuff like that. Yeah, I'll do that for y'all. Now, I want to say I feel good. Like as far as like physically and just managing like my spiritual self. Like I feel good, you know. Besides this bug, you know, I feel good. Also, my son called me. He called me and Nadine. He spoke to like me and he spoke to Nadine and he spoke to us for like 2 hours. He spoke to us for like 2 hours, and it was so nice to see him because I know my son's feeling really good. He looks so good. He looks so radiant. He called us while he was eating. Y'all, I felt like I was watching a freaking mukbang because he's eating a juicy burger and fries, and I'm like, you know, not feeling good, but he's feeling better. Like he's got over his sickness. He looks good. He feels good, and we just talked about some things, and we had good conversation. It was just so nice to just be able to laugh and talk and, you know, do the family thing. You know how it is. I didn't get a chance to clean my house, but as soon as I came off the road, we went straight into like hibernation because we didn't feel good. But a couple of days later, I got up and I cooked the rest of the whitey, and I made some what did I make? Oh, baked potatoes to go with it. It was so good. It was so good. And all I used was sage, Italian seasoning, and butter for the baked potato, and I put it in the microwave 6. Sprinkle some water, sprinkle 6 again. So good. And then the next day we had fish left over, so I refried the cup of fish that I had left over. Excuse me, y'all. And then I made 2 more baked potatoes for me and Nadine, and then I cooked zucchini. Ooh, that zucchini was good. Yeah, the zucchini was good. You know, like we put a little bit of butter in a pan and you slice the zucchini. I sliced mine in a round side and show y'all. And y'all, I was just, the girl, wherever the camera was, it was staying in there. I was just glad to get something to eat, a good meal in my stomach. But the zucchini makes pretty much some of its own liquid. So you could add like butter, a little bit of hot sauce, Italian seasoning, basil, paprika, whatever your seasoning, garlic, and just stir fry it, child. That was some good zucchini. And there was Nadine first time tasting home cooked zucchini from me. I don't know if she ever ate it in a restaurant before, but she is like, Mom, this is good. This is so good. Thank you, Mom. You welcome, Nadine. You welcome, girl. Like, yeah, I made sure we ate good. And then Nadine made us some hot coffee. She made us some hot tea. She got us a cold water. And we just was liquefying down everything after eating and just chilling. And we watched, what did we watch? We watched this show. Yeah, it was, I don't remember what it was called, but it was about, I think basically how the Jews, translator, that's what it was called. I was about to say transition into America, like they left the Soviet or Russia, something like that, and they ended up in Russia, ended up in America. So we watched that, and it was just like, it had me on pins and needles, because it's like everything they tried, it was just like barriers in a way. They always like somebody's telling, they're getting caught, or the plan didn't go the way it was supposed to go. So that movie had me on edge, but it was nice to read in the end that it was basically based on a true story and about the real people, and it was just really, really good. I enjoyed. Yeah, you ever have somebody walk past? I don't know if any of y'all film, or y'all maybe y'all do FaceTime with y'all phone or anything. I don't know, but yeah. A guy just walked past, right? Instead of him he walking, minding his business, and I'm minding my business. I'm talking to y'all. Y'all will tell you what he do. He walk, instead of just walking like he was walking, just walking past, this is what he does. He walk past, he go, just like staring at me like, why is she talking to what is she talking to? She talking to the camera? Oh my God, okay, she must be one of them weird people that vlog. Oh my God, I think that's so funny that in 2023 people are still kind of like surprised when they see you having like a full-blown conversation, a legit conversation with yourself, like personality, and you're talking to an object. But actually, I don't see the camera as an object. I see the camera as so many beautiful people that love spirit. I got so many beautiful spirit lights that been with me from 2015. Some came 2016. Some came 2017. Then 2018, the SOLs. 2019, the OG SOLs. And then you got 2020, 2021, 22, 23. Wait a minute. I got 9 years. I done said something wrong. 15. Yeah, you're supposed to count 15, right? 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. Because I don't think I'm supposed to count 15, 20. But anyway, been here since 2015. The OGs of the OGs. Like, I got OGs, and I got OGs of the OGs. Like, OGs of the OGs been here. Y'all got people who been with me since 2015. They remember when I first got started. When I first got started. And then I got people who've been with me for a couple of years, and they just feel like I'm a part of their family. And I feel that way too. I feel like, yeah, once you love spirit after about 6 months, yeah, I'm about family. Wherever you put me in, I'm okay. You know what I'm saying? Shoot. I'm sure I got a couple associates or a couple of high and buys, or I'll just see what that girl up to. You know, we're not really like cool, but they're like, what's she up to? You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, I was looking at my subscriber count on YouTube, and I saw that I'm at 18,019. I'm at 819,500 something. I'm just like, are you serious? Like, what? I had to look again. I was like, oh my god. And I still haven't gotten a cupcake, you know? I got to get a cupcake for y'all so we can celebrate all of the newbies. Yeah, the newbies are the ones that came within the last year or two. Okay, spirit lights, I stopped and got me something to eat. Got some onion rings. Restaurant style onion rings. Not crunchy. Very bready. But it's good. I stopped by Dunkin' Donut. Decaf. Maybe oat milk. But check this out. Look what I got. I got a veggie. I think it's Wtf Veggie Gyro. Oh my goodness! Look at that. I got a veggie gyro. I always wonder when I go to like a gyro place, why can't I get a veggie one? And today I did. It's fried vegetables. You can get one that's like all vegetables, or you can get the fried vegetable. I'm thinking like it's got some quinoa. Going on with the onions and sauce. It's so good. And today, We're just out. Pick up the stuff that we need to get over this terrible bug that our family caught. And then, I mean, they gonna stop to get some ice cream or something. I'm definitely gonna have to do an ASMR for y'all. Uh-oh. Got a little piece somewhere. God, this is so good. I got my t-shirt. That nigga didn't bought me. Told me to wear it as a night shirt, but so delicious. And the onions are delicious. I'm sorry if I'm making y'all hungry. Y'all know I love enjoying my food. When it's good, it's so good. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. I'm looking at this guy. I think he's like a short, he's a short guy, but he look, I want to say, Italian. He older. He older, so a lot of his hair is missing on top. Man, he got a full beard. He got 2 twists coming from his beard, real long with beads. It actually looked good on her. I'm sorry, y'all. If I get another one to do for ASMR, I'll probably eat it better. I think right now I'm just hungry. I think my tongue is like, oh my God, something different.
Can't promise tomorrow, but you're gonna feel out today. We can tangle it away. Now I'm here.